beautiful people, welcome to another vlog. Now today I'm going to review one DIY hair care serum or mask you call it, which with application with regular usage you will see lot of difference onto your hair, and it is super easy to make. Because hair is something that can make you look good, or if you're having a bad hair day, even if you apply a lot of makeup, you will not look good, because hair is a game changer. Sometimes what you can do is, like, you can just make your hair look very super good and you can go with light makeup, but when your hair is not good, you will not look good, however makeup you apply, however well you dress up. So keep watching this video. This is super easy DIY and you're going to love it. So let us start with preparation of hair serum now. Now, as I told you, we do not require this coconut, we just require milk, coconut milk of this. So we need to put it into a mixer or a grinder and extract the milk. So take the complete freshly grated coconut into a mixer. Okay. Next, you have to add raw milk into this only, because later we are going to, filter the complete milk. So it's okay. We will not add any water. This will act like a water and will give it a smooth serum like consistency. So let us filter the two coconut and the milk together. What does coconut milk does to your hair is, reports says that it actually acts like a great conditioner. You all know the benefits of coconut oil, but coconut milk is equally very much beneficial, and it also prevents premature graying of hair if used on regular basis, if applied on scalp. Second ingredient, that is milk. We all know milk is protein. It acts like a building block. So frizzy hair and dry and dull hair we get because the building block of the hair gets damaged. So milk actually repairs the frizz and the dullness of the hair, because of which this serum will give you smooth, silky, and if you have around straight to wavy hair, this will also completely give you that straightened hair look. So the actual serum after the filtration looks like this. Properly squeeze this up so that you do not lose any of the serum. Okay, so this is how your hair serum of coconut milk and normal milk looks like. So guys, I filled the hair serum into this spray bottle. Now your hair serum is ready to be used. Now how you have to use this up? You have to spray this complete hair serum onto your scalp and at the length of the hair. Now this is very important. You have to spray this up into the complete length of the hair. So prepare the serum accordingly, according to your hair length. Especially you have to, spray this properly at the ends of your hair, because you get maximum frizz and dryness at your ends and they look very, frizzy. So spray this up properly. Complete hair should be wet, and then you have to tie it up, keep it for up to 1 hour, and then you have to do your normal shampoo. Okay, you can use any shampoo as you all prefer, but you do not require much of conditioner after apply this serum. So this is also one positive point about this serum, is that if you use this, you will not require, there is no need, because while shampooing only you will see softness and silky texture of your hair. Let it air dry and you will see noticeable difference onto your hair. Keep this serum into fridge. If it remains, it can be used up to 4 to 5 days, and do this on twice weekly or minimum once weekly. You will see noticeable difference onto your hair texture after 1 month of regular usage. I hope you like my video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel.